In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the error message that Rivatuner brings up saying that system components cannot be hooked right now. There is actually a setting within the config file that you can change, which a lot of people say resolves this problem, but in fact it actually just hides this error message and the issue is still there in the background. Even if Rivatuner and MSI Afterburner are working absolutely fine, that's not to say that the error still isn't there. You're just covering it up by hiding the error message. If you do want to just hide the error message, then I will show you how to do this quickly. All you need to do is open up the start menu and type in Notepad, and you then need to right click on Notepad, and you now need to go run as administrator. You now need to go file, and you then need to go open. You now need to navigate to this directory here, or the directory where you installed Rivatuner, and you then need to go to ProfileTemplates. You now need to go all files, and we now need to search for config, and you now need to open up the config file. But before we open the config file, you need to completely close down MSI Afterburner. Once you have completely closed down MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner, you can then go ahead and press open. The reason you need to completely close down the programs is because you will not be able to save the file once you have made the change. You can then go down to silent, and you can change the 0 to 1 and go Ctrl and S to save the file, or go to file and then save. If I now open up MSI Afterburner again, as you can see, I no longer get the error message. But like I said at the start of the video, the issue is still there. So to resolve the problem, all we need to do, I'm just going to quickly change the setting back so I actually do get the error message. Okay, I have now changed the setting back, and as you can see, I'm getting the error message still. If I now close down MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner, you then need to click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. And in the latest update for Rivatuner, they actually resolved an issue with this error. So all we need to simply do is scroll down, and you then need to click on download, and we need to download the version 7.30 beta 10. You then need to scroll down again, and if you agree to the terms and conditions, we can go ahead and save the file, and you then need to open up the zip folder, and we now need to double click on the setup.exe and go run. You now need to go OK, and we now need to go next, and we now need to go I accept if you agree to the terms, and then press next, and you now need to install it to the original location where your current Rivatuner is installed, and then go next, and we now need to go install. It will now begin to update Rivatuner. We now need to untick show readme and go finish, and now if I open up the start menu and type in MSI Afterburner and open up MSI, as you can see, the error message is now gone. And if I just quickly open up Notepad, just to show you that I have not changed the setting. If we go on to open and then go all files, and if we scroll down, there we go, config, as you can see, silent is on 0. So there we go. That is how you properly resolve that error message. No covering it up by just changing the silent option in the config. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.